Hi guys, today we will be drawing a pie chart from some given information. Now this table here represents a number of people that like different types of ice cream. So we've got 22 people that like banana, 13 people like vanilla, 57 people like strawberry and 28 people like chocolate. The first thing we need to do is add up the frequency. When you add up the frequency, the answer is 120. That is 120 people that have took part in this survey. Right, this information needs to be put into a circle here. We know that a full circle is 360 degrees. So we need to do a further calculation. The calculation we need to do is 360 degrees divided by 120, which equals 3. That means that one person represents 3 degrees, is equal to 3 degrees. So each of these numbers now needs to be times by 3 to get the angle to transfer it into this circle. So we do 3 times 22, which is 66 degrees. 3 times 13, which is 39 degrees. 3 times 57, which is 171 degrees, and then 3 times 28, which is 84 degrees. To know whether you've got all these numbers correct, this should add up to 360 degrees, which it does. Right, the next thing we need to do now is get a protractor to measure all the different angles. I have a circle and I've got my centre point. The first thing you must always do is draw a straight line from the centre to the edge of the circle. So the first angle we're going to draw is 66. So you put your protractor so that 0 and the dark line is on the pencil line that you have drawn. You can see that my 0 is on the outside of my protractor, so I count up to 66, which is about there. Do a dot, follow that up with a straight line. So there I've got my first section, which is banana, of 66 degrees. My second section is vanilla of 39 degrees. So again, the last line you've drawn, you put your protractor. Remember, the centre's got to go right where the centre is. The dark line with the 0 goes on top of the pencil line. We're starting on the outside because that's where the 0 is, and then you measure 39 degrees, which is about there. Again, that goes to the middle. The next one we're going to do is strawberry, which is 171. So, like I just said, you put your dot to the centre, your pencil line on top of the 0 line, and you measure 171. So for this, remember, you are looking on the outside of the protractor. So that's 120, 150, 171 is here. We do not, after 90, flitter over to the inside circle. Always keep to the outer. Again, you do a line from the centre to the edge. Okay, the last section would be 84 degrees because that's what you've got left over. The final part of this is you must label each section. So that's banana, 66 degrees, vanilla, 39 degrees, strawberry, which is the biggest section, is 171 degrees, and the last section is chocolate, which is 84 degrees. Okay, so we've transferred this information into a full circle with sections split up.